So as you guys can see from the intro, we just got back from vacation, Porto Vallarta. I can never say it right, but whatever. But yeah, me and the missus, we just landed about like, I want to say 8 hours ago. I'm running on like no sleep. I woke up in Mexico at 6 a.m. By the way, if you guys want to see my diary in Mexico with the missus, follow me on IG. But yeah, the reason why I'm making this video is because I want to show you guys what I came home to. Bro, it's a package galore over here, man. We got 2 crazy big boxes. These are supposed to be beds from Wayfair. Yeah, we got some content coming up with them. Bunch of Fashion Nova bags and some other brands. Psycho Bunny, you probably heard of them. And some next one that just fell on the floor. And you might think that's all, but it really ain't. Who is this guy over here? Man, if you guys have been following me for a while, you'll see that I've been working with a lot of tech, a lot of scooter brands, a lot of e-bikes, and of course, another package from Wayfair. Just some bed stuff, you know? The reason why I'm making this video is because I want to show you guys what it's like in the life of a creator, somebody that's like traveling and doing sponsorship deals. This is 7 days worth of stuff. And the craziest thing is I gotta get it all done for Black Friday. All right, guys, I'm gonna go set up the camera to show you guys what all the clothing brands are looking like. Let's get it. All right. Now we gotta figure out which bag we're gonna open first. Baby girl, what bag should I open first?
Psycho Bunny.
Alright, let's do Psycho Bunny. We got 3 pieces from Psycho Bunny. Okay. Alright, so the first thing we got is a Lico hoodie. What do you guys think? This one's proper or no? It's the back right here. And the front. Oh, damn, brother. This is $218 Canadian. How's it looking, guys? Does it fit? This one is $98. I also got this polo, and I feel like this is what they're really known for. Do I look fly, or do I look like I'm going back to school? Alright, so I asked my shorty what she's doing. She catches me swerving on her downtown Toronto in this shirt. She said, "Damn, papi." I said, "Yeah, I know, bro." This shirt is $165. Do I look cute or no? Which bag should we do first? 1, 2, or 3?
3.
I'm gonna wear this one after. I'm gonna layer it with something. I need a t-shirt. Okay. I literally landed in Toronto and I only have 2 hours to get to work. I had to go work, man. I had to go to Chrysler and make them a video. How does the shirt look? I feel like it fits. I like the fit on this. Okay, so the jacket I told you guys it's weight on. Well, this got buttons and a zipper. Okay. Make my life harder. Oh, the sleeves are crazy. My girl's gonna hate this shit. Watch. Oh, baby. You gotta look at your face. I can pull out a sick fit with it, but if the wifey don't approve, I don't approve. Another one. This one I actually wanted. Wow, this one's gonna keep me nice and warm, bro. Uh-oh, the sleeves are too short. Yeah, the sleeves are definitely too short on me. Shit don't fit. I'm already tired, man. This is what I gotta do. What y'all think of this quarter zips? Can I rock it, or am I too young for this shit? We got another quarter zip. Uh-oh, I feel like I like this color. How does it look with the jeans and the slides? Nice. Super nice. Oh, this one's heavy, bro. Oh, dude, that's a lot of stuff. Oh, choice. Alright, so we got some sweatpants that are fleece. What y'all think? They're kind of warm, but I don't know if they're too short. One thing I can say about these is, wow, they're so light. They fit. Yes, no, maybe so. On G, I don't know how I feel about them, but I'm gonna keep them. For now. I got these blue shorts. They are kind of wanted them for the gym, but I don't know if they fit like gym shorts. Maybe basketball? Holy moly, bro. I got me some baggy ass pants. I can barely see my ankles, man. Okay, I definitely need to go. I'll be right back. Baby girl said no thank you. You know what that means. No freaking thank you. I think I rock with them. They are a keep. They're a keep. They're a keep. They look good. This whole fit. Oh yeah, bro. Okay, so I got the barrel pants in black. Apparently this is in style. Do I look like a barrel? They fly or not? Okay, so we got these sweatpants. They're like little cargos, 2-pocket cargos. They feel big as hell. They're too what?
I know they're too short for your liking.
What do you think, chat? Comment down below. Are they too short? Do you agree with the missus, or do you agree with the mister? Just right. Imagine they were longer. Bro, I'm gonna wash, bro. The last 2 jackets, I'm gonna put on some black pants. It's a puffer jacket. Damn, this fit's gonna fire, what? Oh, please fit. Please fit. Yes, does it fit? It feels very stiff. Like if I put my hands up, that's not gonna be pretty.
You better not be showing your tummy.
pulled up my IG right now. Oh my god. The only problem is I can't zip it up, because if I zip it up, it feels too tight, because I'm getting chunky. If you guys don't like this jacket, you're gonna hate this next one, because it's slaughter. And what's slaughter than that? This one, the same jacket, but in red. 50 likes on this video, and I'll tell you why my girlfriend hates the basketball that I have in my room.
I will smack you.
This one.
Did you just kiss it?
No.
I'll hurt you.
Hey, what do you think about this jacket? Oh, the final package. This is a surprise, because I have no idea where this is from. 2 items. First one is a t-shirt. T-shirt is in excellent quality. Feels really nice. I'm gonna try it on. Just now. Whoa. Ooh. Got a headache from the teleportation. What y'all think? Does it fit? Yeah? No? And last but not least, not very itchy. Yeah, what do you guys think about this one, huh? What does it say? Good fortune. Good fortune. You wear this shirt and you'll be making a lot of money. Sponsored by Good Fortune.
Look at this pile of clothing, bro. Holy moly, there's a lot of clothes.
I got my own bedroom, of course. Closets are full. We're not even gonna talk about that. But here is what I just recently purchased. If you guys want a link for something like this to store your clothes, if you're trying to sell clothes and you need space, invest in one of these. Comment down below and I'll send you the link. Okay, so I won't be able to open the other boxes, which is the scooter, the Wayfair bed, the bedding. I think that's it. We got 2 beds, we got the bedding, and we got a scooter. If you guys want to see the unboxing for that, well, you're gonna have to tune into my IG or my TikTok live, man. The photo shoot for Psycho Bunny, Fashion Nova, Good Fortune clothing, they're all gonna be on my Instagram. So follow me right here if you're trying to see how I style these clothes. I'm a little stylist. Hope you guys liked the video, man. If you guys really enjoyed it, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. I have so much free time. I'm gonna be making videos like this all day, once a day, if you guys are pushing this content out, man. I'm telling you, the life of a content creator, man. This is what I come home to after 7 days in Mexico. Peace and love, everybody. Stretch out.